This button is the motor switch. Press it to start the motor, then press it again to switch it off. This button is the positive pump switch. Clicking it will pump the concrete and the work starts. The other buttons are not required for you to use. Connect the 3-phase wires onto here. The light turn green after connecting power. If it shows red, correct any 2 of the fire wires. Only a green light indicates a correct connection. Add water over the piston before working. Add number 46 hydraulic oil. The concrete should not be lower than the piston port. Otherwise it will easily block the pipe. Add number 00 grease into hand oil pump, add 2-4 times each shift.